I think your dad likes it. What do you think, Duncan?
Look at how big, look at how long our ramp is now.
Duncan, I want to try. Hurry, head it up, head it up, head it up.
Okay, start clear back here, honey buns.
Okay.
So today is Saturday, March 8th.
Okay, now when you start to go down, pull up a little bit, okay?
And
Ready?
we've been snowing
Now, hold on
here.
to the straps.
I guess it's been snowing here
Yeah, okay, ready?
for over 24 hours.
Pull up, pull up, pull up.
All right!
Oh, she did
Hey, Josie, are you having fun?
Yes.
Do you like playing in the snow?
Oh, yeah, it's awesome.
Did you do any snow angels?
Slow down.
Well, what I did do is this.
Oh,
Yeah, it's hard to get up.
is it?
So when I got up,
Uh-huh.
I crawled out of my way
Ah.
to Dad's car. Just to his wheel, though. It's kind of... Oh.
So are we in a blizzard?
Oh, yeah. Is there snow on there?
Probably.
Hit yourself. You hit the neighbors.
Are you going to use this? Yeah.
We'll watch him slide on down. Are you having fun, Duncan?
Yeah, sort of.
Still getting snow in your neck?
Nope.
That's good.
Ow.
Keeping warm?
And I taught him that. If he's telling you how. Oh, my eyes. Nucky, get up here, quick. Duncan, quick. Duncan, just get up here.
As you can tell, the
Yeah.
kids are getting along like they normally do.
Okay, come on. If Tracy were doing this to you, you'd be yelling by now.
Hey. Okay.
Well, you don't want to start where I started?
One more
Perfect.
good run.
Okay.
And then my hands are freezing, so we'll take a break.
Ready, set,
You ready? Crisscross applesauce?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome!
I got farther than Duncan.
Yeah, I think you went farther than you did last time.
Oh, that's because I did a little push-up at the end.
Oh, you did. That's the secret then, huh?
Yeah, don't tell anyone.
I won't. It'll be our secret.
Because Duncan might try to use it.
Get up there. Uh-oh, you'll see Josie's coming with a big load of snow. Here she goes. Who's she gonna get?
Did you bring the sled, Josie?
What?
Did you bring the sled?
Oh, no.
Go get the sled.
He has a snow eye.
What happened to his eye?
He had a snow eye in
My
his snow fight.
dedication to my children caused my snow eye.
Is that what caused you to attack Duncan?
It did. I had to take it out on him. Ready?
No, turn it.
Ready, Duncan?
Yeah.
Awesome!
Duncan, that's cheating. I want father. Duncan, you can't do that, Duncan.
Josie, it's okay. I didn't realize that was inside my glasses.
I realized it.
That was a good shot.
I realized it.
You did not.
You can see how much snow we have so far. That's the van. There's my car. And we obviously haven't shoveled yet. Walkways, just snow. Snow's up a couple steps there. Onto the porch.
Hey, Josie, that might...
What you got there, Duncan?
My fort.
What's the plans?
To attack Dad,
You're gonna attack your own father?
basically.
Does he gonna have a nice fort like that?
No, I'm gonna ruin it. With the ice.
What team are you going to be, Duncan?
Fort Shawnee.
Fort Shawnee?
Yeah.
Can I be Fort Tecumseh?
Sure.
I lost my square one.
They're over here.
No, there was the big one. I brought it over and then I lost it. Oh, there it is.
How close are we to a battle?
Huh?
How close are we to a battle?
10 minutes or so.
Alrighty.
Just a hole in my wall.
Has the battle started?
The battle has started. Dad hasn't even finished making his. The battle has started. Imagine that.
Now let's see, you promised in 10 minutes there'd be a fight, and then 2 minutes after that Duncan would surrender.
That's right.
How's that looking?
It's looking better and better.
Yes, it is. It is looking better and better. This could take a while.
Oh, I just missed it.
Guess what I'm throwing, Dad?
At my fort.
No, ice.
Oh, you're throwing ice?
Yes.
As you can see, Duncan's very concerned about his father. Throwing ice at him. Ooh, was that a hit, Duncan?
Now do this.
Okay, I'm getting cold. Show you the walkway. The news report coverage of the battle is over.
Oh!
Good luck.
This is brought to you by the family funerals or whatever it's called.
Hey, Duncan, turn to me and say goodbye. Hey, Duncan,
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
say goodbye. How'd you win?
I threw ice, big ice snow fort.
And that's it?
What'd you do at the end?
I ran the snow fort.
With what?
My foot. But there's barely any left, so.
So then you came in so that you could help with the laundry, right?
Nope.
Putting away clothes?
Nope.
No?
And who helped you build your fort, Duncan?
No one.
Fibber.
When did Dad's name become No One?
2 seconds ago.
That's actually the name of the person who helped me with my fort.
I did help you.
When? You helped me tear it down.
Yep, that's how I helped you.
So explain why there's footprints sitting up to my fort and then a big body imprint in the middle of my wall.
Well, let me see. I was walking up to shake Dad's hand. Next thing you know, he collapses on the ground.